Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows Resource Protection could not perform the requested operation error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to restart the Windows Module Installer service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the Windows Module Installer service. Okay, right click on it and select restart. The next solution is an SFC scan, so search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space /r space /f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. The last solution is System Restore, so search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Go to open System Restore. Select choose a different restore point. Click on next. Choose a good restore point. Next. Finish. Click on yes to initiate the restore process and let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.